Srinath Enterprise, bottom wear manufacturing specialist. Strategically located in Ahmedabad, India's leading textile hub. A city known for its textile industry and strong manufacturing roots, giving us direct access to quality materials, skilled talent, and a reliable supply chain. Established in 2007, Srinath Enterprise is a specialized garment manufacturing company with over 18 years of experience, focused on bottom wear.
मैं श्रीनाथ एंटरप्राइज से बहुत सालों से जुड़ा हूँ और हम लोग जो पैंट बनाते हैं पूरा मेहनत और लगन से बनाते हैं और जब हमारा काम लोगों तक जाता है तो हम लोगों को बहुत खुशी मिलती है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
With a 40,000 square feet manufacturing facility, over 300 machines, and a monthly production capacity of 1,20,000 pieces, we deliver consistent quality on time, every time. We continuously upgrade our technology to improve efficiency, accuracy, and production control. Backed by skilled teams and experienced professionals, we ensure smooth operations across every stage.
मैं यहाँ QC डिपार्टमेंट में काम करती हूँ। मुझे यहाँ काम करने में बहुत खुशी मिलती है। यहाँ मुझे बहुत सम्मान मिलता है और साथ ही साथ सुरक्षित माहौल मिलता है काम करने का।
Every product begins with a clear direction where design, fit, and purpose are defined from the start. From here, our production team keeps every stage aligned, ensuring smooth coordination between planning, sourcing, and production. Precision then takes shape through pattern making, where patterns are developed for accuracy and consistency. These patterns move into our sampling unit, where each sample is carefully created, refined, and approved, becoming the standard for bulk production. Once approved, fabrics are sourced, stored, and managed systematically to ensure consistency across every batch, while trims are organized to support continuous production flow. The process then moves into cutting, where fabric is layered and cut with precision to ensure uniformity at every stage. This leads into stitching, our core strength, where specialized bottom wear production lines, skilled teams, and smooth processes come together to deliver consistent output every piece, every order. Each garment is then thoroughly checked through strict quality control to ensure it meets defined standards every time. After approval, products move into the finishing stage, where they are carefully and securely packed to maintain quality during transit. Finally, finished garments are stored in our warehouse for efficient handling and dispatched on schedule, because reliability is built into every step of our process. Partnering with leading domestic and export brands, backed by the strength of scale and the agility of experience. Srinath Enterprise, your trusted bottom wear manufacturing partner.